Today we're gonna go out with some friends to FlagPole. Probably stay a night or two. There's starting to be snow flurries already and it's pretty cold, but shouldn't be a bad time. Hey Marty, let's go. So with that said, we're gonna stay out there for a while. We brought some activities to keep us busy. I just got a bow, so we're gonna be doing some targeting with that bow for the rig this time. There's Marley, but we're going with the rig. It's kind of packed out a little bit. This is all firewood inside the dump packs there. A little bit more than what I normally carry, but we'll see how it goes. I look forward to the adventure. It's gonna be a good time as always. Hey Mari, let's go. Go. We just got done airing down and we're heading up towards the trailhead. For me, a couple of purposes for this trip is a shakedown trip for a new setup inside the back of the truck. I want to see if that configuration is going to work for me or not. And then I also want to see what this Overland Tailor tune is like off-road on more obstacles as far as rock crawling, climbing up steep inclines, especially with the weight of the Vagabond back there. So join the ride and let's go. got it. That's it. Home free.
bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
overall, another good weekend with some close friends. Spend a lot of time chilling out by the campfire, hitting the trails. The Shakedown went really well with the new setup. The only complaint I have is that diesel was still leaking out of the diesel heater. Hitting some of the hard trails coming up in Union Springs and FlagPole. So what I'm going to end up doing to mitigate that is to just carry a little small container full of diesel fluid and then fill it up whenever I get to the camping spot. It shouldn't be too bad for the diesel heater to prime that fluid to get it through there. So I think that would help that diesel spill. Even though it was a little bit, it was enough to be noticeable enough in the cleanup. But I'm spending some good times with some good friends. Jason helped me with the compound bow and the proper stance and positioning, along with the right way to hold the bow to be most effective while shooting. So Jason, I really do appreciate that. So hopefully we can get Joe a bow and Jake a bow, and we can all just start shooting out back there in his backyard. Should be a good time. I'm looking forward to next hunting season, going bow hunting with you, so you can teach me more of what you already know. So until next time, guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, all the YouTube stuff, and I'll catch y'all next.